Hello.
Shut up. Alright.
You shut up.
We're making slime.
From the Nickelodeon Slime Kit. This is not sponsored.
Put your first bowl. First. So where my I'm making this one.
I'm making a stress ball one.
I'm making rainbow. So how to make neon and rainbow. So pour 15 in of white glue. So first
15 milliliters.
Nah, I know. I just said 15 m. That's what I wanted to say.
I mean, but you don't know that.
Never mind. Guys, you got measuring cups.
You hope for difference. That's why you trying to. I don't even say you don't know.
So this cup is 15 things, whatever, right?
Is no Jada, what?
Oh, 15. Where's 15? Let me find.
Go to milliliters.
I am okay. I see mine. All right, so
guys, I took off the cap.
I'm gonna open the top.
Slow.
Because yeah, that's what I did. I didn't. Well, all right. Let's see.
About it, guys. Oh, okay, that's too much. That's too much stuff. We need some paper towels, Jada.
I don't.
No, I do. So can you go get me some? Cause my hands.
Why would I be doing that?
Already gluey. Jada. Can you go get me some?
Okay.
Can you go get me some?
No, I don't want to.
Guys, see, she disrespectful. She's so mean. Please. Okay. Oh, okay. What's next? I need to scrape it down. How about scrape it down with what?
A stick. I don't think mine was 15, so I'm gonna just add a little more.
Mine was way over. Well, not way, guys. Like 15, 16.
Alright, that's enough.
I need to close this glue before I make a mess.
Alright. Next, I need to put.
Like, I wish somebody would have told us.
That's it.
Break down the
And even though they were younger, I didn't think it was going to be an issue.
Measure 30 ml of water. So I need water.
We need water. Room temperature too, so it can't be in the fridge.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Get a cup of water.
So like warm.
See, they make their wish.
I know.
Can we use a cup for water?
Water is a bottle, but I'm talking about the little.
Can we use a cup for water? It needs to be room temperature, so warm.
I'm gonna give you the cup and you decide. Matter of fact, get that red cup right there in the sink. Look, on the in the drain. Look to your left. That cup right there.
Well, I'm gonna just read my next ingredient. After the water. So, colors, I guess? I don't know. They make their wood. I'm gonna add a little bit more glue.
Don't you need to wash out the cup to see the measurements?
Yeah.
That's the only. She's the first
really bad.
It's
Very different things.
but I think that's a that knows information because you know Jimmy's in the order, Ben is in the order. They all in the order.
What's the order?
The Mason.
Oh, the Mason thing. I didn't know it was called an order.
What they call it.
Well, and wait. So why are we doing
ain't hear her say that she did that before him. So it wasn't because of him that she did it.
It doesn't matter. Why not support her? Mama. And love is blind. I'm gonna just say that. Love is blind. No doubt.
Because they've been trying to get Joshua for a long time.
I still can't see it.
See what? I can. It's 30 milliliters, so it should be above. So you should be able to see it because it didn't get covered with glue. 30 milliliters is almost to the top.
Because she speak her mind.
Okay, mine don't have 30, so I'm gonna just fill it all the way up to the top.
It's the last line. You see it? 30 is the last line.
Alright, here. So I'm gonna just fill it up all the way then.
It's the no. Never mind. Do what you want. It's your slime, not mine.
Alright, so I poured the water. Now they telling me to add. So gold rainbow.
I'm back to the coloring. At the coloring, guys.
What's this?
About what not going?
Additive below.
So what's that? So like,
Additive.
it's like this stuff.
Let me see. So it says.
Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna just show y'all my paint. You know,
But I didn't ask you.
you definitely need.
But I thought.
Oh, choose you like your color. You can go rainbow or go neon.
So I'm going rainbow. So
follow the rainbow direction.
you definitely need activator. Hold up.
No dude.
Activator.
So.
Alright, so I'm gonna go follow the rainbow. And it says you
Drip
will
out.
make 4.
It said go yellow first, right?
No.
Yes, it does.
Wait.
I'm gonna just start all over with the process too, because
Wait. So which one do I do?
the first rainbow.
You will make 4 turns.
It doesn't matter what rainbow, but so you can choose.
So I can use whatever colors I want.
No, whatever rainbow you want. You still have to follow the rainbow steps. But which
Wait,
rainbow do you want?
I want this one.
It's different types of rainbows. I don't know what it is.
All right, so I'm gonna just add all the colors.
All right, I'm gonna put this one to the side. Hold up.
You making a new one?
I have to make 2 to for the stretch ball.
All right, so I'm doing pink. I'm doing all the colors I had.
I don't know. Can you turn that?
Look, why she's getting stabbed with a knife?
I don't know. Chris had me watching CSI Miami because I don't even watch it.
All right, so
You still watching Hallmark?
Because Hallmark is still on.
Oh, Jesus.
Lifetime is
I can't
not
even-
what's on. What is it, 141?
all right, so I had opened all the paints. So first, I'm gonna use pink. Let's get.
Well, I don't even
Hit
know.
the back arrow. Back. The side, yeah.
How much activator to add, guys? I don't even know.
I've been watching Netflix.
You ain't hit it.
I didn't.
Okay, yeah, okay.
This
Well,
is so complicated.
Netflix. What you was watching on them
Like I watched.
She watched Bird Box.
I watched Bird Box. I watched. What did I watch yesterday?
I don't know. Oh,
I'm not even talking to.
so that's Doris Park.
I watched that the other day.
That's old.
Yeah. I've seen it before too. Didn't realize I've seen it. But I had watched.
Junior now. You should have just said, Junior, what did I?
You told me to put it on for you.
Right, but you didn't know what I was watching. At least I didn't think you did.
Oh my gosh.
I could be wrong.
Yo, you see how smart Junior get?
Just shut up.
Oh, not nice. Oh, I watched.
I'm using all colors. All these
That
colors.
is one bizarre movie. It's crazy. I don't understand.
Guys, I made my first slime. Now I need to make the second one for
Wait,
my...
did you put activator first before you started mixing it?
Yes.
Okay. Yo, I'm just putting like random colors
I don't think I was supposed to, though. I think I was supposed to mix it.
and then put the activator.
But, hey, you learn from me. No, I did. It's supposed to be sticky because it's going to go...
So what you do? You mixed it with the activator?
Yes, with the activator. And
So-
only 5 millimeters of activator, not a lot.
5. Okay, so 5. How you use this?
No.
So 5 would be about.
Guys, look.
I can't see.
My yellow.
Okay, I found 5. So
Now, how much glue? White glue? Let's see. Guys, I could... Oh, that's why I was not working right. That's not what you mix with. You mix with one of these guys.
Taking up most of her time and all that crap.
Mix it more.
She was living that life. You know, the I'm cute life, but
The I'm cute
and all
life.
that other crap.
alright, so that's too much. But
Ooh,
gonna pour
girl.
we just gonna pour it, and then we're gonna start.
We just gonna pour it.
And then we're gonna start mixing.
Like I said, I didn't think it was worth even watching on Netflix.
Hold up.
You know what I mean?
I put too much liquid. Look at ew.
Oh
I
my
put too
gosh.
much liquid.
Guys, her slime messed up because she didn't want to follow
She shaved her
directions.
hair, she found love and
Guys, that's what she
ended
get
up
too.
liking her hair short.
Ew,
And then she shaved her
y'all.
hair. When she shaved her hair, basically she had like a meltdown. But I didn't think.
Scrape, 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 scrape. Go glue all the glue.
I want to dump this out
Go dump it out second.
and
Start
throw it
over.
in trash.
Then do it. Let's just start over. Like, guys, my glue already sticking like slime, bro. Like sticky with sticky. Ooh, there's some yellow in there. Ooh, I just messed up my slime, guys.
I spilled it on the table.
Okay, it's called clean it. Guys, if our joint was boring, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It shouldn't be boring. I mean, if it is boring, y'all can't believe us because it's only our second video. So. Y'all, look at my spoon. I done got my spoon dirty. I'm gonna go get another paper towel. And
This mine? Or yours? No, this yours, right?
yeah, no, mine's right here.
So at 30.
I'm gonna clean my bowl out.
Then you had a rough day, huh? Aw, Toodles, you got a job, Toodles. Toodles, you got a job.
My coworker came over last week with her friend. She played with her for a few minutes. Next thing you know, Melinda Fayetteville was still trying to play with her with the toy thing. Not today. You only get a couple of minutes. She only ran around for a hot second. A hot second. What, you recording yourself making slime?
think this about to be a fail, Jada. This about to be a fail,
I'm
Jada.
about to wash my hands.
I need to add more color, Jada.
That's right in that vicinity. That's nice. It's nice in here. They do look good too. They got food and service. And they got a happy hour that I think I want to take advantage of. It's Friday. They got dollar shrimp.
Ooh.
Alright, so I'm
dirty.
redo mine.
I need to, guys.
Next, I'm going to follow directions.
Like I told her to. I'm not drunk.
So the first part was,
Guys, my orange slime somehow is messing up, but my yellow slime was the bomb. Like what? Like,
Alright.
like.
so I got my bowl.
Let's see. Let's add.
So, what was the first thing to add in? Glue. And it was, God.
15 milliliters.
No,
Oh, guys, it's coming together now. My slime. There's still some white chunks for some reason. I don't know why. Mm.
But everybody not with you why it's big. Because everybody want to buy their liquor while they there. Nobody want to buy their liquor.
Right. Right. Right.
I can see it. Alright. So it was 15
L.
ml. Alright, so, glue. So,
I haven't been back since, son.
I didn't expect you to go.
alright, so we got 15
milliliters. She
Move this cup, like. There we go. So, hold up.
I wonder if this keto stuff works. That everybody named mama.
When they see me, they make that question. Yes, you can make bracelets.
She said, yes, you can make bracelets.
But what's that other thing?
You put it on a bracelet.
No, this.
What, the cookie?
Kit Twins.
Oh, you're supposed to find toys. And the
Buy toys and play with Play-Doh.
yeah.
Find toys.
And she found all the toys.
In the Play-Doh?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then you just play with it. So then next was water, right?
Oh, you found them all already?
Yes. Next was water, right?
I don't know. I'm steady trying to do this.
Now I gotta look on the paper.
I think I put too much. Ooh. That lag.
Okay, so yeah, next step was water. So I don't have my cup, so I'm gonna just add as much as I want.
Oh my gosh.
It's like, no. I'm gonna add as much as I think it's 30.
I need to mix it.
That should be enough. And then it was the paint. I wanted some clothes.
Not from me this year.
Yeah, I sent you a picture of a hoodie I wanted.
Yeah, after the fact, slickster. I was done shopping by the time you sent me something on 2 days, a day before Christmas. And you expensive.
For me?
Yeah, you got champagne taste. Chica. She got some expensive taste. Especially if you like drinks. You gonna need a job real soon. As soon as you get of age to work,
So 14?
you gonna need a job. Yes, whenever she get them working papers.
No.
In my size.
And your son, girl, did you?
In my size, they are
No, they ain't. What size you in?
5.
Exactly. So no, they're not cheap. You in adult sizes now.
Nuh-uh, that's junior.
That's you too.
Nuh-uh.
If I remember correctly, the last time we got you sneakers, them New Balances, yeah, you was in the adult size.
All the way back then?
Yeah, I remember that.
I don't fit those no more.
Yeah, you can't fit them no more, can you?
No.
Yeah, that means your feet done grown then. You ain't no sweet thing, because I still got mine.
I want some sweets. I'm hungry.
It's not homemade.
I want some pie.
I want some pie.
And cake.
I want some cake.
Oh my God.
Yeah, Junior. I want some cake. That's why them cheeks getting so fast.
Not mine.
Chubby cheeks.
Alright. Hopefully it turns out better. Y'all, it still turned out yucky.
Guys, this is horrible. Horrible, guys. Horrible.
One thing I didn't, because I didn't add clear slime glue.
Yeah, guys, I need to restart my glue.
Jay, how did you make that yellow one?
I don't know, but I made it so perfectly.
Period.
My orange, guys.
Yeah, I barely got pink.
My orange is just horrible. It's coming together, but it's all over my balloon.
Look at my station. It's clean.
My station cleaner than yours.
No, it is not. Look all of that. Look at that.
You got paint glue, Jada, like Barbera, Gary Barbera.
What did it was that rain.
Oh, it's all over God Mommy's table.
You can just wash it.
What? Look at you. It's all over your clothes.
See? That's what I was
You can just wash it.
What?
It's not on my clothes. I'm clean.
It is.
No, it's not.
It
Yo,
is.
ain't this a big behind pie?
Oh, girl. You see how much it's going?
All of it. I'm not sure why y'all playing with that little bit. Ain't your nose right. You making lima beans?
Just that amount right there.
I mean black eyed peas?
Just that little bit right there.
Well, ain't nobody in but you and Chris.
Me and you?
Yeah, and Tyrese don't really eat them.
Oh, that's right, Tyrese. Whatever, Junior.
And there's instructions to take it off my own.
Whatever. God, I can't even have cake and peas. Jesus. I shouldn't ask. God knows I don't need it. Here, Jada.
What you eating? Cake?
Mm-hmm.
You got cake too?
Mm-hmm.
Not the pie?
Ain't no pie for them to get, girl. That movement is going to stay right there. Y'all got jokes. And it's big as freak.
Balloon trash.
Because in 1 minute it was like hardly nothing, you know, a couple of little bumpy slices. The next thing was like, hey, who ate? Oh, that's cake. Not me. Chris wasn't eating it like that.
I finna make this one more time.
Jada, come here. That slime was way too sticky.
Ew. Look at you. Slime all over the place. Y'all done?
No.
I'm just washing out.
So this was my slime going.
Well, you off the rest of this week. We gotta pick a day to go out.
Me too.
Oh my God, no! You going to school?
Oh yeah.
She said, oh yeah.
I'm mad it ain't tomorrow.
It's okay. I can call out sick.
Lies.
You can't fall out from no school.
Well, I got my first line. Yay.
How do you get your first slime, bro?
You got yours right there.
But no, technically it don't count because I had to make a whole nother one.
Alright. I'm gonna go wash this out.
And I'm going to wash out my measuring cup.
I didn't even realize that dog was in here. Oh my God.
And it's a doll set.
When they see me, they make their wishes.
It's a dog set.
Now it's time to talk about birthday presents.
No, it's not. Yes, it is. She said now it's time to talk about birthday presents.
Girl, March is a while away.
It's 3 months away.
That's long enough for me. Sorry, you better get your money right for her birthday present in March. You know what? She better get it right. You know she gonna want something extravagant.
Alright. So, we're gonna close this up because my slime is in here.
Guys, this is horrible.
Rebel. Alright, so
Guys,
first
I
step
done
was
lost my measuring
water. First step was water, right? Or glue? No.
Glue.
Alright, so I'm not going
Why
to.
you put the...
I'm gonna use clear glue.
Wow.
Because I'm gonna make a neon.
Oh, you need clear for neon?
Yeah.
Follow the instructions for neon. Because you know what happened when you didn't.
Alright.
Okay. Oh, God, help me.
Alright, I put mine right there. Alright, so neon. Let me see.
You follow the instructions.
Oh, there it goes. How to make. Okay, so I put water in there. I need water.
Oh my gosh. I know you didn't just use all of water. Jada, this video is too long.
Alright.
It's 31
So,
whole minutes.
Next is
Who's gonna be watching this for 31 whole minutes?
next is alright, so 1 through 2 spoons full of neon coloring. So I don't even know what that is. Alright, so I'm gonna just add neon colors. I don't know what is neon colors, so I add yellow. Oh no, the yellow is dirty.
What to do next?
I'm gonna add green.
So,
Right.
so 30 milliliters. 30 milliliters. Oh my gosh, I can't see. Jack-a-doodle-doo.
Alright. The 2 greens. Okay. So I gotta dump it. Let it come out. Just let it come out. Let it come out. It's not coming out. When they see me, they make their wish. Somebody stole one of my sticks.
Put it in my pocket. What a...
I can't see that from all the way over there. I got my contacts in.
Alright. So, I'm gonna close this up. Put it there. Now, activator.
What you doing, funny looking? You had enough
Jealous.
running in and stuff?
I think I added activator. Oh, no.
When you was running into the dress and sitting here and
Let's mix. Oh my god, y'all. This actually did not turn out bad.
Add the color. Oh, that's why
Look
I
at
was
that.
mixing it before adding the color. Now I need to put all the color in. All of it, basically.
Look at that. That is so nice.
Ew. Guys, I don't like neon green. If y'all didn't know, my name is Green.
Y'all.
Now, where my starting
Yo, we at our grandma's house.
Jima, a grand. I mean, not grandma. God. We got our godmom, guys. Not our grand, our God. Like,
And she
hallelujah,
live, we
guys.
all the way in Delaware, same.
Don't lie to the vlogs. Don't lie to the vlog.
Y'all, we still in Philadelphia.
No, we not guys. We in New Jersey.
We in New Jersey. I'm just kidding. We're in New Jersey. So,
But guys, we don't live in New Jersey. This is a good home house.
right, we all the way in New
Oh,
Jersey.
guys, this thing is turning out good. This
We don't live in New Jersey, y'all, and we all the way in New Jersey right now.
No, we're not. We're in Connecticut. I'm about to say something so far away. You know what I'm about to say? Connecticut. Oh, guys, I think it turned out. Oh,
Bad.
actually, good, guys.
All right, I'm done.
You made one slime and you done.
2.
You made two
Oh
slimes.
my god.
Ah, the whole jar.
Can you get
Guys,
it
the
for me?
whole chapter.
Can you get it for me?
No.
Oh, I didn't even use these.
She didn't even use her glitter. Her glitter.
It's fine because I'm about to add it right now.
Wow.
Dang, all that glitter just fell. I'm adding all the glitter. All the glitter. All the glitter. Look at that. Look at that. All the glitter.
You need to mix it up.
When they see me, they make their wish.
They wishes.
Hold on, let me wash my hands.
You pick the chair up after you wash your hands.
It don't.
Oh, no. Oh.
You got women too much to get them on. They thick though. That's the head.
You know what I just noticed?
I got
My headphones not in my shirt no more.
Yo, I was in Sugar's place. Y'all get lost in there.
Which one?
I come out on top.
I never find nothing in there that I like.
Other than when I was in the room.
I never find nothing in there. I definitely, well, Junior, I wouldn't look. Jada, everything is the same. I like how thick they are. They're tight.
They cute. I like it.
But I can't,
What's wrong with them?
I gotta fight too much to get them on.
They for me?
And then they kind of sag in the crotch.
Oh, Jesus.
Like, I gotta really, maybe I
You know
would
what
put
the crotch is,
I gotta really put them.
Heard me? Heard me, Jay?
They cute, ain't
You don't know what the crotch is? Girl, that's too much glitter! Show them.
Yo, y'all can't even see it. Like,
Because they speed that.
Y'all see the slime, because
my whole spatula is filled with glitter. Alright, so I made my last one on this one. Because Junior won't lend me none of his containers. So, put that one in here.
I'm gonna say that, guys.
Alright, look at that. Hold up, let me take it out. See?
Less sticky and more cohesive.
Really?
See a large, grab me a pick. What color? They got gray, they got black, they got
This one actually turned out really good. Alright, so I'm going to actually make another one. Junior's going to give me one of his bowls. Please, Junior. I'm trying to use all my glitter.
Oh, yes, I do. Netflix, Hulu.
Well, they put two glitters in one. How about that?
Cat right there.
Oh, I want to play with that.
Oh,
There ain't no plan.
I want to use that.
There ain't gonna happen.
oh, look at that bar.
Look up, look up, look up.
Oh, my. The ceiling is beautiful.
See, you know what I mean?
Oh, it's funny that the leaves are triangle shaped.
I can put you in over.
But you know, wait, where's Florida?
Lord have mercy. I can't. Oh, God.
Now you see what I'm trying to tell you?
Am I sitting on air?
You sitting in a nice bed.
Well, yeah, in here. But there, I'm in
Look,
this
look, look,
room.
look,
I'm
see what I mean? Look, see?
so remote.
Oh, my God.
All right, what else?
Drop it.
Pointer, right?
Drop it.
Now, let me show you how to type it.
Introducing the all-new Smile Whitening System from Smile Active.
Not install
It's
environment.
an easy and effective daily whitening treatment. Plus, the Smile Active
Somebody at the door.
advanced LED whitening accelerator that uses the same blue-light technology dentists use. Smile Maker.
Actually, doing
So surprising.
Blue dog.
On it? It's already on. Add it. Big screen in front of it.
I'm gonna go back and make this one.
Hulu, Netflix.
When they see me, they make their wish.
Oh,
Shut up, Cindy.
Alright, so first, what was it? Glue, right? Yep.
Oh my gosh, how you forgetting?
You can watch Netflix.
No, there's activator. Oh my god.
Yo, I need this.
No, it's a toy. That's something.
It is a toy.
No, it's not. It's a computer.
It's
on
a
your
grown
face.
person's toy.
It's a computer. It's a phone
I probably
on
am
your
going
face.
Hi, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Hi.
Merry Christmas! Hello, how you doing?
Did you just say shut up?
I said hello, shut up.
You did?
Yeah, let's see how bad you
I told you to shut up, Jada. I said hello, Merry Christmas, how you doing? So her.
Why don't you just put it on the
To
head?
you, I said.
Next is water.
Well, she playing, she having fun there.
And then paint.
Did you just use my paint?
Ah! Mommy.
I don't care. Oh, you're not gonna touch my paint, little boy.
Did I use activator yet? No. Activator. And then bow tie. Yep.
How y'all doing? Y'all got so big. My goodness. Give me a hug. Oh, that's so big. It's so bigger than me. Hi. How you doing? Y'all have a nice Christmas?
Yeah.
Yep.
I know you did. You always do.
Look, I got a phone for Christmas.
Oh, go
Me too.
ahead.
Mine's charging.
What? Wow. That is nice.
You need to just put it on her head. Put it on so she let her find a roller coaster. Look, so she having too much fun.
Thank you, Jada. That was her god grandmom. I don't know if that's what you call her. Or godmom's mom. I don't know if you call her a god grandma. I don't know. But that,
Oh my god, this is so nice.
You scared on a roller coaster. Hey, what, Carrie? Hi, sweetie.
She about to have a roller
Merry
coaster right
Christmas,
there.
Happy New Year. Good, good.
This
Y'all-
one was sticky.
Yep, it was good.
I forgot to blow one. That's how I feel like. I don't care.
When they see me, they make their
wish,
wish.
they wishes.
Look at this.
Guys, I didn't even put my slime in the thing yet, guys. This is so mad. I'm so mad. How my yellow turn out golden? Because it's yellow, you know, slime. Move from all the spotlight. See, you don't follow the rules.
Egg. 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 Oh. They make their wish. Pass me a container, please.
No, use the other side of your bowl.
I already used it.
Decent.
Now, yo, I gotta throw this away.
Not my fault. I don't care. She a weirdo.
Please, Junior.
No.
Please,
Period. Point blank.
Please.
Mamas. Period.
Please.
Mamas. Period. Sis.
please.
Period. Sis.
Stop copying off my sister.
Baby, I
You don't gotta. Oh yes, you do. Your
Kiki.
Kiki's not your sister.
So what is she?
Your friend.
My sister.
Very sweet.
No.
Sister.
You don't. No. You only got.
Today.
Sister.
Jada, you only got one sister.
And who is that?
Shakila.
Y'all, I got a sister named Shakila. She got pregnant.
Jada, shut up.
Well, she already had her baby. The baby is 2 years old. So
No
this next weekend or this weekend, he's coming over. He got a big head.
Guys, I'm gonna get her for that. She's not gonna call my nephew. Say my nephew got a big kid.
Wait, so Dad went to work last weekend, right? Yeah.
I don't know.
I didn't do
Yeah.
it. It came up on
So he off this weekend.
Mm-hmm.
And y'all, I go back to school on Wednesday.
Guys, I go back in 2 weeks, guys.
So today is actually my last week staying up for how long I want.
Stop. Jada, stop. Swim
Let me use the bowl.
Swim in.
Alright, Warner, no, stop.
Okay, dog. You.
you connected to that?
Look, it's this stuff came up. I hit dismiss.
Oh, I know.
I don't know where to put this.
What's this, water?
Yeah.
Y'all need it.
This right here connects to this. It's a,
It's supposed to pop up.
Oh my god. Camera was not falling. I hope y'all saw that.
I'm gonna need it not to pop out in the middle of a
They
ride.
see the chair.
I think that when you was adjusting your view.
How rude of it.
They crazy. They crazy. Ooh, now who got the messier workstation? You. All that glitter. I just got some slime.
Did it come back on moving? Well, then you got the headphones.
What's the headphones?
You hear it.
Oh, I did hear it. Well, you feel like you moved.
Alright, y'all. So I'm in the video. Here.
No, you're not.
Well, then let me continue.
No, guys, she is.
Alright, well, because I'm done.
Like you on a
Okay, so guys, you ended it?
Please,
No. So are you ended it? No. No. Are you ended it? Yes or no? Are you ending it? Yes or no, Jada?
I'm using container and I won't end it.
You can end it if you want to end it.
What y'all doing? Making stuff?
Yeah, slime.
What you making?
Slime.
I'm making
Okay.
a stress ball. Oh God, y'all.
Oh my goodness.
My mom.
Oh, this is wild. Oh my God. Yo, this is decent. Oh, where you get this from? Oh my God. Yo, this is dope.
Oh, I know what to put in there. I just need to wash this out.
Call her name. Big kid, call her name.
Like my mom is.
Jerking you.
She's crazy. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? If y'all got on headphones, y'all might want to turn it down. Cause, oh, girl, oh, y'all might turn that down.
Drop me again. I'm on it.
She on a virtual, guys, a virtual roller coaster.
Inside the oven.
Oh, this is
You
decent.
gotta put it in there.
I got a hoverboard.
Oh, Lord, this is
Where it work?
oh, God. I would never get any work done. This is decent. It jerks you.
Imagine if you standing up.
Uh-uh.
Uh-huh.
It's like tombstone. Yo, this is decent. Shark Opera. Diamond Giddy. Dragon World. So what you get? Some for free and some you gotta buy.
I ain't buying nothing.
I feel like I can just touch this.
You know what I mean? That's how I ran to the dresser.
Let me see if he didn't make that wish.
Yo,
How you touch the bars when you in the ride?
Are you recording that?
Yes.
No, he recorded himself.
No, I'm recording. That's my phone. We recording both of us.
To do what?
Don't be recording big.
We making slime.
They record themselves making slime.
This is a big seat they got.
You back on the couch again?
No, I'm in the sitting on the ride. The ride is over. This is
I'm gonna play.
it's not a toy.
Yes, it is.
I want to use it.
You ain't tearing up my toy.
Alright.
Bye, guys.
I hope you enjoyed making a slime. If y'all did, smash that thumbs up button. Turn on a post
Then don't be
notification.
copied because they gonna sue us.
I don't care. They're not gonna sue me.
Guys, turn on the post notifications, subscribe, comment, like, all that.
Comment down what pranks y'all want us to do, what challenges.
What comment questions for Q&As.
Yep.
And
All of that.
we'll get
So,
to you.
the next video might be a shoe collection. I don't know. We might do it today. We might not. So, if y'all like it,
This slime,
then we'll make the shoe collection. And I want this video to get to
get this to
50
at
least
likes.
50 to 100 likes. All right.
We sell
Bye.
Alexander's low right now.